Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video of Playing Man. Fake it till you make it. Today, as you know, because you clicked on this video, we're going to be unboxing the new TrueCoat 360 DSP True Airless Graco Paint Sprayer. Oh, intro's over. Okay, so let me start off by saying I have been using the Graco Airless Paint Sprayer for a very long time, for many years. In fact, I covered an entire house with this gun. I stained big decks with this gun. So many things I've done with this gun. It's having issues now, like the motor's going out or something. I don't know for sure. I tried to do some repair with the head to make sure it wasn't clogged because I didn't clean it that well every time. I thought maybe that had to do with it, but it didn't. It's nice and clean. But anyway, it worked so well, I went and bought a replacement, the exact same gun, even after the motor went out, because this gun was true to me. It helped me get through so many jobs so quickly. So I definitely suggest the Graco Airless Paint Sprayer. So let's jump right in and I'll show you what's inside the box. Okay, let's pull it out. It comes with this nice bag. Nice shape. I use it to store my gun. I always have. This one, that's what I'm talking about. That is going to end up in trash. So it comes with a double zipper system. So if you're reaching for one side to zip it up and the zipper's not there, you don't have to bother trying to find the actual zipper. So in this case, you can just grab whatever side you end up on. There's going to be a zipper there. Nice little flap here, long, very pretty. Look how pretty that is. There it is. Check it out. Okay, is this the same size gun? I did. Okay, so there's two size guns. This is the smaller size. The bigger size gun will set you back an additional $69. This one here was $200. If you're going to be painting larger areas, it might behoove you to get the bigger one and pay the extra $69. There it is, next to the old gun. So one of the things that kept going bad on this gun, not kept going bad, but got clogged a lot and ended up breaking on me, is this. This is a little vacuum valve. Basically, you push the extra air out of this itty bitty hole that's in here, and this cap closes it off. I've had a lot of issues with it because of how often I've used it. I even tried to go replace one of these on Amazon. They're almost 30 bucks just for this little piece. And the nice thing about the new gun, it comes with an extra one because they know opening and closing that becomes an issue. One of the difference I see right out of the box is the speed adjuster. This one has like the wheel on here that goes from 1 to 9 or 10 or something. I can't see it anymore, but I love that they just switched it over to a high and low, because literally that's all I ever wanted. I wanted to go all the way down to low or all the way up to high. This gun came with a stand. I didn't really ever use it. Let me see if there's one in here. Cardboard box with the little, oh wow, this one is a lot smaller. Oh, it comes with plenty of the refillable cups. That's cool. So all you do is fill that up with your paint and then you screw it on. You'll have a little bit of air on the top. You pop this open, push up from the bottom here, push all the excess air out, pop it shut, and then there's probably still just very little air in there. This is where you prime it like this and put it down, shoot the gun, it goes should be ready to go. You turn it this way and bam, you're ready to start spraying on high or low. That's it. That's all you got to do. I mean, it's ready to spray. It even has that tip in there for you. It's a number 12. That's what I've always shot with. So very cool feature about this gun is all their tips come with a hole on both sides. One side is your finish spray. The other side is a wider hole in case you get a tiny clog in there. You can switch it around and the air is blown in reverse this way and shoots out the clog, and you just turn it right back. I use it all the time when you're not filtering your paint. You'll find yourself using it often. So you're spraying and then it gets clogged or starts shooting out like this or something. You just turn it around, shoot it, shoots out the clog, turn it back and get to spraying again. So cool. Oh, it looks like it came with an extra spray tip right here. And this is a number 4 tip. So what these numbers represent is the inches and coverage. So this is a 4-inch coverage. The one in here is a 12-inch coverage. So I'll probably use this 4-inch when I'm spraying trim, and this one when I'm spraying table, furniture, chairs, walls. Again, I sprayed interior walls like crazy with this thing. I just masked everything off and boom, I'm done. It's incredible how fast these things are. A couple other features I didn't mention. So you could take this whole plastic piece off like that, and then you have a filter right here. It's just a little plastic filter. That never got clogged on me, but it's just there to keep larger debris out of the gun. And you could actually technically fill your paint up like this, then screw this on, so you're not trying to handle the bucket of paint, and then pop this on quickly like that, and then it's on. It's not going to go anywhere. Or you can get a funnel, put your funnel in there with a filter paper, dub your paint into the funnel, fill this up, and then boom, twist it on. Get your air out of, pop that open, get your air out, close it, prime it, shoot it. If it's clogged, twist it back, shoot it. Totally suggest this gun, guys. We will catch you next time for a Playman video, guys. Fake it till you make it.